Did you know that St. Petersburg is home to some hidden gems? Beyond the grandeur of the Hermitage and the gilded spires of the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood, there lies a world of secret spots just waiting to be discovered. Join me as we delve into the heart of this enchanting city and uncover the secret spots in St. Petersburg you need to see. In a city as historically rich and culturally vibrant as St. Petersburg, we will explore some beautiful places. From the rooftop views that offer a unique perspective of the city's skyline to the hidden courtyards that tell stories of a bygone era. These hidden treasures are what makes St. Petersburg a city of endless discovery. We'll explore gardens, museums, and so much more. We will look at the most beautiful palaces with the best scenery. So come along as we uncover the hidden treasures of St. Petersburg, one secret spot at a time. Don't miss out on more hidden gems and secret spots. Subscribe to Unseen Russia for more. Next week, we will explore the fascinating city of Novosibirsk. Subscribe to stay tuned. Our first stop takes us not to the main Hermitage, but to a hidden courtyard, a tranquil oasis amidst the bustle of the museum. Tucked away behind the main complex, this secluded garden offers a peaceful escape. Here, amid the greenery and chirping birds, you can take a moment to reflect on the masterpieces you've just witnessed, feeling like you've stumbled upon a secret known only to a select few. But the Hermitage Museum is not just about hidden corners. The main building itself is a grand spectacle, housing over 3 million works of art. As you walk through its lavish halls, you'll encounter works by Rembrandt, Leonardo da Vinci, and Michelangelo. The collection spans from ancient Egyptian artifacts to modern European masterpieces. Don't miss the stunning sculpture gallery, where majestic statues stand in silent grandeur, and if you have the chance, visit the museum at night. The illuminated facade is a sight to behold, adding a magical touch to your visit. The Hermitage Museum is truly a treasure trove, offering a rich tapestry of history, art, and culture that leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. While the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood is a sight to behold, few venture to climb its inner staircase to the upper gallery. From this unique vantage point, you'll not only marvel at the intricate mosaics up close, but you'll also be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of St. Petersburg, making you feel like you're on top of the world. The church's iconic onion domes are a marvel in themselves, each one adorned with vibrant colors and intricate patterns. The church has a rich history, having been meticulously restored after suffering damage during World War II. Today it stands as a testament to the resilience and artistry of the Russian people, attracting visitors from all over the world. At night, the church is beautifully illuminated, casting a magical glow that makes it even more enchanting. Each mosaic tells a story, depicting scenes from the Bible and Russian history, making every visit a journey through time. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler, the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood is a must-see landmark in St. Petersburg. We're venturing beyond the typical tourist trail at the Peter and Paul Fortress to the lesser-known prison cells within its walls. These haunting chambers once held political prisoners, including the famous writer Dostoevsky. Stepping inside these cells provides a chilling glimpse into the past, a reminder of the complexities of Russian history. The fortress is also home to the Peter and Paul Cathedral, a stunning example of Baroque architecture. Inside, you'll find the tombs of many Russian czars, making it a significant historical and cultural site. Don't miss the daily cannon firing, a tradition that dates back to the 18th century. The fortress also houses several museums, offering deeper insights into its storied past. With its rich history and breathtaking views of the Neva River, the Peter and Paul Fortress is a must-visit for anyone exploring St. Petersburg. While most visitors admire St. Isaac's Cathedral from below, we're ascending its colonnade for an unforgettable experience. Climbing 262 steps to the top rewards you with a breathtaking panorama of St. Petersburg. The golden domes of the city glitter below, making you feel like you're floating above a sea of history and grandeur. Inside, the cathedral is just as awe-inspiring. The interior is adorned with stunning mosaics, paintings, and sculptures that reflect the rich artistic heritage of Russia. Guided tours offer fascinating insights into the cathedral's history and architecture, revealing stories of its construction and the challenges faced over the years. As the sun sets, The cathedral's golden domes glow, casting a magical light over the city. It's a sight that captures the heart and soul of St. Petersburg. At night, the illuminated facade of St. Isaac's Cathedral stands as a beacon of beauty and history, a testament to the city's enduring spirit and grandeur. Nevsky Prospekt is St. Petersburg's bustling main street, a vibrant artery that pulses with life and history. Lined with historic buildings, this avenue is a testament to the city's rich architectural heritage. One of the notable landmarks here is the Kazan Cathedral, with its grand colonnade and impressive dome. But we're stepping off the main drag and into the enchanting Singer House. This architectural gem, now a bookstore, features a stunning Art Nouveau glass dome. Inside, you can browse literary treasures while soaking in the atmosphere of this hidden gem, a world away from the hustle and bustle just outside its doors. Back on Nevsky Prospekt, the street is alive with people, shops, and cafes. As night falls, the avenue transforms, illuminated by the glow of streetlights and the vibrant energy of the city. Street musicians add to the lively atmosphere, making it a perfect place to experience the soul of St. Petersburg. Whether day or night, Nevsky Prospekt is a must-visit, offering a glimpse into the heart of this magnificent city. The Fabergé Museum showcases the exquisite jeweled eggs, but our secret spot lies within its charming courtyard. This peaceful haven offers a respite from the crowds, a place to pause and reflect on the intricate artistry you've just witnessed. The gentle sounds of the fountain and the scent of blooming flowers create an ambiance of tranquility, a true hidden gem. The museum itself is housed in the stunning Peterhof Palace, a masterpiece of architecture. Inside, you'll find not only the famous Fabergé eggs, but also a collection of other precious artifacts. Guided tours offer deep insights into the history and craftsmanship behind these treasures. Don't forget to visit the gift shop, where you can take home a piece of this opulent history. As the evening falls, the museum lights up, casting a magical glow over the courtyard. It's the perfect time to revisit the courtyard, now transformed into a serene nighttime retreat. Truly, the Fabergé Museum is a blend of art, history, and tranquility, making it a must-visit in St. Petersburg. At the Mariinsky Theatre, we're not just attending a performance, we're going behind the scenes. A backstage tour reveals the inner workings of this renowned institution, from costume workshops to rehearsal rooms. You'll feel the pulse of the theatre's creative energy, gaining a newfound appreciation for the artistry that unfolds on its stage. The Mariinsky Theatre, established in 1860, has a rich history. It has hosted some of the most famous performances in the world. The architecture itself is a masterpiece, blending classical and modern elements. The grand chandelier and ornate interiors are a sight to behold. The orchestra, renowned for its excellence, adds to the theatre's allure. Ballet dancers here are among the best, showcasing grace and precision. Opera singers captivate audiences with their powerful performances. Every visit to the Mariinsky Theatre is a journey into the heart of Russian culture. As night falls, the theatre lights up, creating a magical atmosphere. The Mariinsky Theatre is not just a venue, it's an experience that stays with you forever. While the summer garden itself is a popular attraction, we're venturing to its hidden tea house. Tucked away among the shaded pathways, this charming pavilion offers a delightful escape. Imagine sipping tea surrounded by lush greenery, the sound of fountains creating a soothing ambience, as if you've stepped back in time to a bygone era of elegance and leisure. The summer garden is also home to an impressive collection of marble sculptures, each telling a story of its own. These statues add a touch of historical charm to the garden, making every stroll through its tree-lined avenues a journey through time. In the summer, the garden bursts into color with vibrant flower beds, attracting visitors who come to relax and enjoy the serene beauty. As the sun sets, the garden takes on a magical glow, with illuminated pathways guiding you through this enchanting space. In the vast halls of the Russian Museum, we're seeking out a lesser-known treasure, the Benoit Wing. Dedicated to the art of Alexandre Benoit, this wing showcases his theatrical set designs and illustrations. Stepping into this wing feels like entering a world of fantasy and imagination, a hidden gem within the larger museum. The Russian Museum, established in 1895, is a treasure trove of Russian art and culture. It houses an extensive collection of Russian art, from ancient icons to contemporary masterpieces. The museum's sculpture hall and various artifacts offer a deep dive into Russia's rich history. Visitors can explore the museum through guided tours, which provide insightful narratives about the exhibits. The museum also hosts special exhibitions and temporary exhibits, ensuring there's always something new to discover. Don't forget to visit the museum's gift shop for unique souvenirs to remember your visit. And take a break at the museum cafe, where you can relax and enjoy refreshments after your tour. The grandeur of Peterhof Palace is undeniable, but our secret spot lies in its upper gardens. These meticulously landscaped gardens offer a more intimate experience of Peterhof. Stroll among the intricate fountains and manicured hedges, feeling like royalty as you enjoy the tranquility of this hidden oasis. The Grand Cascade, with its stunning array of fountains and golden statues, is a sight to behold. Inside, the opulent rooms are adorned with lavish decorations and intricate details. From an aerial view, the sheer scale and beauty of Peterhof Palace are truly breathtaking. As evening falls, the palace is illuminated, casting a magical glow over the gardens. Visitors can spend hours exploring and soaking in the rich history and beauty of this magnificent estate. From the tranquil courtyard of the Hermitage to the breathtaking views from St. Isaac's Cathedral, we've uncovered some of St. Petersburg's best-kept secrets. Remember, the true magic of travel lies in venturing beyond the well-trodden paths, in discovering those hidden gems that make a destination truly unforgettable. What are your favorite secret spots in St. Petersburg? Share your discoveries in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more travel guides and hidden gems in different cities around the world. Take a stroll down Nevsky Prospekt, the city's main avenue, bustling with life and history, or visit the stunning Peterhof Palace, often referred to as the Russian Versailles, with its magnificent gardens and fountains. Don't forget to indulge in the local cuisine at one of the many food markets, where you can taste delicious traditional dishes. And as the sun sets, experience the vibrant nightlife that St. Petersburg has to offer. Happy travels.